My name is John Estrada, and I'm a salesperson at PSI Urethanes. New customers will call up because they're having issues with an existing part. Maybe it's not holding up to the application. Maybe the part itself is out of spec. Maybe cost increases they're shopping around. Sometimes it can involve prototyping, material tests. So we'll get a lot of research calls and want to know how polyurethane would work in their application. It's not being used in their application, but they're considering using polyurethane in their application. Customers will often change their material, and once they do get something that works, they're usually long-term customers. A client will leave one of our competitors because of material issues, cost, lead time. We hold better tolerances than some of our competitors do. Customer calls with a complaint that the material he's been purchasing for years is not holding up to what it used to be. He needs an inch thick pad, 5 foot wide, 16 feet long. It's a liner. He gets the pad in his hands, he turns around like, hey, it looks good. By the way, could you quote this product for me? It's a shelf item offered by numerous companies. Like, sure we can. Can you tell me how it's failing? Like, why do you want to replace it? He's telling me at these bolt holes, one would break, it would tear in there, and it would tear up his liner. One of these augers takes 52 of these parts. So one of them breaks, it started making problems for everything, his whole operation, costing him downtime, maintenance time. Our engineers here looked at the design and figured out what the problem was, is that this part, the bolts were put into load on the urethane. So our engineer team put their heads together and made an insert on the inside of this pad where the metal will take the load rather than the urethane, solving his problems on breaking those bolt holes. We even added some perks to his urethane formulation to handle slurry applications so he wouldn't get more part life than what he was getting here. Customer is very happy to this day. We're going on 5 years in business, and his parts are lasting 3 times that of our competitors. We work close with the customer and try to extract any kind of information we can from them. So here we could get our team of engineers around it and maybe pinpoint exactly what's causing failure, how can we optimize the situation, and so forth. We are competitive on lead time, we're competitive on price. We're gonna get you a good product for your dollar's worth.